Let's begin with this range for the horizontal Fibonacci levels and position a Fibonacci time zone on the duration of that same downswing. Another option is to add the Fibonacci channel that focuses on the 0 to 1 to 1.618 ranges. These inclines can be useful since a potential ascending triangle is developing. And lastly, you could also add Fibonacci spirals here. Moving ahead, it would be important for price to keep closing within the triangle and maintain this uptrend line to increase the chances of a bullish continuation between the number 5 and 8 time zone lines. That would at least aim to reach the 1.618 extension level and roughly follow the incline marked by the 100% line of the channel. And the pattern fails if price breaks below the trend line and makes more than a 50% retracement. In such a case, price could fall along the approximate arc of the spirals towards the 5-cent range. As for CGPT, a Fibonacci fan helps gauge where the stable decline of the past few weeks can begin to slow down. And a Fibonacci time zone can be placed on the interval from the peak to the first bullish retracement last month. Also, the extension and retracement levels can be reused from last time. If price just remains flat and doesn't make a sharp break over the downtrend line, a shallow incline like this could develop. Then even if there is a sharp upswing over the downtrend line, there's no major bullish shift in the broader context until price decisively clears through the 40 range. Because if price just briefly trades in the 40s, there could be a short-term range similar to the second half of March, which was part of a bearish continuation. Or the simplest scenario, price just continues to follow the stable downtrend line to form a range from 32 to 25.